What's up guys, this is Leo with Keeper & Co. And in today's episode, we're going to be making some Halloween themed face masks. We're going to be using the face mask kit and we're going to get help from our friend Kimmy, aka Spooksieboo. So let's give her a call.
Hey Kimmy, happy Halloween!
Hey Leo, happy Halloween!
How are things going at Spooksieboo headquarters?
They're great, they're spectacular. We've been really busy, especially this time of year.
I bet so. Halloween's around the corner and that's totally your jam.
Yep, and everyone's getting their spooky on.
I bet so. Which brings me to my point. I had the best idea and I wanted to make Halloween face masks. I know, right? Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Totally up your alley. So let me tell you what it is. I want to do face masks, right? And I want to print a really spooky design coming all the way from the top to the bottom. You got any ideas for something like that?
I totally do. I've actually been working on something new. It's a design here. I have it in tape form. It says Halloween is not canceled. I think it would fit perfectly. It would just fit perfectly on the mask because it's already like horizontal. So
I can see that going from the top to bottom.
Yeah.
What are those? Are they actual face masks?
They're little. Yeah, that's what they're supposed to be. Little masks. So
awesome.
like a vintage pumpkin, a kitty, a zombie, and a witch.
Perfect. Face maskception. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. So here's what I'm thinking.
Mask on mask.
Mask on mask on mask. And Halloween. Super perfect. Yep. I love it. So here's what I'm thinking, right? Let me go get these face masks ready. I'll prep them. I'll set them up. Get them all lined up. Send me the artwork. We'll print them up. We'll be good to go. Sound good?
Sweet. I'll do that right now.
Thanks, Kimmy. I appreciate you. All right, Kimmy. You have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Alright, so for the Spooksieboo face masks, we're going to be using 100% cotton face masks, all black. And for one of her designs, it's more rectangular than it is square, so we want it to span the entire width. For this specific print surface area, it's going to be 6 inches wide by 3 inches tall, so we're looking at about 5 inches width for that design. The other two that she has are actually pretty cool, but they're going to be off to the side, so we don't have to worry about the entire face mask so much as we do just one side of it. Also, keep in mind that when you put this into the machine starts printing from the top and then it goes all the way down. So you want to make sure that the bottom of the face mask is down here. So in this case, let's put it on top of the print surface area. Let's get our hoop on and we're ready to print the first design. So for these designs, we're going to be using FBX 100 because when we print these face masks, we're going to have a white underbase and then we're going to lay the CMYK colors on top. So to get started, first thing you want to do is lay down a shirt. Then you're going to put the face mask down. You want to get as many wrinkles out of it before you start spraying. Then when you feel nice and comfortable, spray it on. So the key here is to get nice and even coverage throughout the entire print surface area. Then grab your brush and brush it into the fabric. You also want to take this time to lay down any fibers that might have come up and make sure you just have the smoothest, flattest print surface area possible. Once you're done with that, we're going to take it over to our heat press and we're going to let these hover dry for a minute. The goal here is to hover your heat press over the face masks, and then once our face masks are pretty dry to the touch, then we can start printing. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and a huge shout out to Kimmy for helping us out with this project. If If you guys want to check out the finished product, our Instagram and Kimmy's Instagram are going to be linked down in the description below. Also, we're going to put a link for the face mask kit if you guys want to grab one for yourselves. But with that said, subscribe to the channel and we'll catch you on the next one.